This is a tata de queso. No, tata de queso, the burnt Basque cheesecake from San Sebastian. Today I'm going to make a chocolate one. Doesn't have a crust, 7 ingredients. It is the easiest cheesecake ever. Okay, so first up is good quality cream cheese. Don't cheat. That is one thing with this cheesecake. It has to be the best full cream cheese ever. And if you're on a health kick and you want low fat or fat free, don't make the cheesecake. Let's bung this into the mixer. What I like to do is just to give it a little bit of mix first before I start adding the eggs. And the last one. Okay, so I'll just mix that. Now you can see the texture. It's really beautiful and smooth. Just the most yummy, glorious stuff. And now for more yumminess, I'm going to melt chocolate, cream, sugar, and vanilla. So what I've got is 100 grams of milk chocolate. And I love milk chocolate with cheesecake. It just adds to like more creaminess. Good quality cocoa, some beautiful Asia pouring cream. Insane to the membrane. Secret ingredient, sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Oh, another one, vanilla. Whoops, look at that, beautiful. So that's the beautiful, luxurious vanilla paste. You could use a little bit of zest, citrus zest, orange or even lemon, just to kind of give it a lift. Okay, let's take it over and we just nestle that, our bain-marie style. Give it a good whisk, and you'll probably have to whisk this a couple of times. Okay, so this is beautifully incorporated. Looks like a mean hot chocolate. It smells like it needs to be a face pack. So now is the magic. We're going to add the chocolate to the cream cheese mixture, and there, hey presto, it's done. This is the fun part. So now you just combine. Just look at this marbling yumminess. What a perfect dollop. Okay, so now is time to prepare the pan. So you need to do this. Please do this. Okay, so not just one layer. So I would do like 3. When it's baked and cooled in the pan, you just peel it away and it just leaves like little bits of crumbs, and it's a beautiful way to present it. Okay, so now we're going to pour the batter into the pan. Look at that. I mean, how easy is that? There we go. And fill it to the top, because it is going to rise, but it's going to collapse. As soon as you open the oven door, it's going to go boom. Okay, so now it's time for the oven. So 220, as I say, a hot oven for 20 minutes. And then you turn it around slightly. What do you call it? 360? No, not 360, 180. Halfway for another 50 minutes. And I promise you, it will have the most unbelievable jiggle. So the alarm's gone off, 20 minutes, and we're just going to do a 180 turn. Look at that. We can actually use the paper to turn. And it's starting to get the characteristic like burnt topping. I'll see you in 50 minutes. Okay, so now I want to show you what you need to look out for. So when I talked about the jiggle, I really meant it. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect wobble, jiggle, whatever you want to call. And look, it's all risen, it's all beautiful and souffled, which is going to collapse in a minute as soon as I take it out. Now it's time to put this baby to bed for 6 hours, better still, overnight. Look how fabulous it is. Can you see its characteristics? It's followed the shape of the paper, it's got character, it's got caramelization around the edge, and this is my favorite part. The longer you leave it, I promise you, the wait is worth it. Is that a saying? It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. And now for the reveal. Hello. This is what I've been waiting for. Look at that little burnt little crust. This is jolly good. Very, very good.